Hello, today I'm going to show you how to screen mirror any smart device to your Acer projector with EZCast DUO. By the end of the video, you'll learn how to make presentations from your smartphones and laptops to your projector. Here is how to set up the EZCast DUO dongle with an Acer projector. Connect USB power to the EZCast DUO, then power on the dongle with an external USB power supply. Connect the dongle to your Acer projector with an HDMI cable. And finally, connect an USB cable to the input side of the EZCast DUO. When you power on the Acer projector, select the HDMI source and you shall see the EZCast DUO startup screen. If you use an Android phone, make sure you have downloaded the EZCast app and set up the USB debug mode. Just plug the USB cable to the phone and you can start screen sharing pictures and videos to the projector. For iPhone X users, the screen mirroring process is as easy as plug and play. Make sure to click Trust the device when prompted for a decision, so you can view your favorite pictures on the big screen. If you want to share your Windows laptop screen to the Acer projector, you only need to plug in one USB cable to provide both media and power to the EZCast DUO. Then of course, you need to plug in the HDMI interface between the Acer projector and the dongle. Execute the EZCast app on your Windows laptop and start screen mirroring, so you can make presentations or work on the big screen. For screen mirroring with MacBook, you also need to plug in one USB cable to provide both media and power to the EZCast DUO. After plugging in the HDMI cable, you're ready to screen mirroring and make presentations to your Acer projector. For more ways to make the most of your Acer products with EZCast, visit ezcast.com/Acer for more info.